So, I wanted to talk to you today about another root cause for SIBO and IBS, and that is, surprisingly, exposure to farming chemicals that deplete the soil of molybdenum and break down sulfur bonds in the body, causing problems with motility in the gut, which can set the stage for developing SIBO and IBS. So this is a relatively new thing that I've been working with. It's based on Dr. Kathleen Janelle's work. She's a ND up in the Seattle area, I believe. And I started using it with some of the really chronic, recurrent SIBO patients with a lot of constipation and bloating. And these were patients that I've been working with for a number of years, and we go through cycles of using herbal antimicrobials, and we were getting some effect, but it was always up and down, and I am seeing better results with this approach, with the approach to replace the sulfur that is missing from the depletion from the farming chemicals. So something new and exciting.